Hello, boys and girls of the internet. You're welcome, alright? This is the Grind Academy, and in today's video, guys, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing us how to make our first dollar online. Alright, so if you've been online for a while and you've been trying to make money online and you've not been able to do that, in this particular video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually make your first dollar online. Now, there are going to be three websites that I'm going to show us which we're going to use to make our first dollar. Now, the first website is guaranteed to make you your first dollar. The second one is also guaranteed to make you your first dollar, and the third one is also guaranteed to make you your first dollar. Now, if you can combine those three websites, with the power of those three websites, you can make your first $3 online. But let's just say your first dollar online. That is why I'm giving you this three websites, because I want you to have everything it takes for you to be able to make your first dollar online after you're done watching this video. Now, I'm going to explain what we're going to be doing on those websites, and I'll explain it to the core so that you understand what we're going to do and how we're going to get our money. All right, so without further ado, guys, I'm going to go ahead right now and I'm going to show us everything that we need to do. Like, I'm going to show us what we need to do and the website. All right, that's it basically. But before I do that, guys, let me introduce myself. All right, my name is Ebenezer Etlink, and one thing I do on this particular channel, the Grind Academy, is that I talk a lot about making money online. So you see here, it says I talk a lot about making money online. Right, I talk a lot about making money online, and I show you what works, and I hope you do the exact same thing I show in the video, like the video that works, and you do the exact same thing so that you get the exact same results. All right, so without further ado, guys, let's get into this. But make sure you hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed. Now, what that is going to do is that you become a member of the Grind Academy. Right, you become a member of the Grind Academy, and you don't need to pay to do that. So just hit the subscribe button right now. Hit the subscribe button. All right, so when you hit the subscribe button, make sure you also turn on the bell notification icon. Now, what that thing does is that when I publish this video, you get to be the first to get notified. Now, when you get notified, you start putting into action. Now, let me say this: there are a lot of persons who are going to watch the video that I'm going to put out here, right? So we have this video has about 3.9k, all right? So we have this one which is about 302,589, and as time goes on, these videos are going to get more views. Now, when they get more views, it means that this person is also going to try that, and you want to be the first person to get the tip, to get the idea that I share in the video, so that you can actually start working on it. All right, so now the first I'm going to do is going to explain. So make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell icon. All right, so let me explain right now. So I'll click on this right now, and what we're going to be doing is, now let me see how does this work. So we have an institution, all right, that is offering a particular service. This institution is offering a particular service. Now they need to know what people think about the service they're offering. All right, and they cannot just go out there and start asking questions on the road. So they need a platform where they can ask particular questions about their own services, and people give them feedback on those services, and they're going to pay people that will give them services, that will give them reply. Like, they're going to pay people that will tell them what they feel about their services. All right, so what do? They go to a platform. Now, this platform is a center of attraction. They go to the platform, this particular platform now, and when they get to this platform, they pay money to this platform. All right, they pay money to this platform, and they ask them, post this on your platform and get people's thoughts about our company or about our services or about a particular thing. Now, in return, this company this is what we do now. We now go to this company. Right, we'll go to this company, and what we'll do is that we actually do what this company expects us to do: answer questions, carry out a particular task, and we earn money. Not just that, there's going to be one of the websites where you actually offer a service. You offer a service. You offer this service for money, right? You offer this service for money. So when you offer a particular service, you get paid. Now, these services are not tough services. They're not tough stuff for you to do. This is actually something you can do. This is like recording a video of yourself talking about a particular product. There are actual questions about a particular product, collecting emails, reading emails, all right, calling out to someone, reaching out to someone, asking questions, These are the things you do on this platform and you make money. Now you can actually make $1 instantly on this platforms. All right, and not just $1 on this platform, you can actually make a lot of money on this platform, but we're going to start with $1 because this is what I guarantee you. All right, so I'm going to go back to this website. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification icon. All right, now if you have questions, if you have any ideas you want to share with us, make sure you go to the comment section and drop that. In fact, go to the comment section and drop $1 guaranteed. All right, if you've seen this video so far, go to the comment section and type $1 guaranteed. Now it's going to help us it's going to help us understand that you really got the idea we're trying to portray. All right, so remember what I showed you guys here. So the first website we're going to go to is called Microworkers. It's called microworkers.com. I'm going to try and leave the link to this website in the description section. So if you don't get the names properly, be sure to go to the description section and click on the link there. You get redirected. All right, and no, please, I'm not affiliated to any of these websites. So if we get to this website, I won't be making money, right? So it says you have multiple continuous jobs. You have jobs to do tax again. You have multiple jobs you're going to perform on this website. All right. So let's look at the type of jobs you're going to do on this particular website. You have image quality rating. All right. So you can actually rate an image quality, and you get paid. So now this one is image transcription. You can see this one is image transcription. You can actually transcribe what's in an image, and you get paid. You have survey. This is basically for you to answer questions. Go to another website and answer questions. You have data mining. Good. You have content moderation. I think this is basically where you actually it says this template simplifies the work on how to identify the age group of a certain person. All right, so you actually just identify these things and you get paid. You have sentiment analysis, survey, content moderation. So there's a lot of stuff you can actually do on this platform. But this platform right now is going to pay you something around $0.5, 0.5 cents. All right, $0.5, yeah. When you do, that's half of $1 when you do a particular tax. All right, so but the next website is going to pay you more. That is why I'm going to use the power of this three. That's why you need to use the power of these three websites for you to make the most money out of this video. Now the next one is called Clickworker. So it's basically an AI training data website or something. All right, but we are not here to know about this website. We're not here to know about this website. So if you want to make money online with this website, remember I said I'm going to leave the link to this website. Now if you want to make money online with this website, be sure to come over right here where it says earn money as a Clickworker. When you click on it, it's going to redirect you to this platform where you can actually earn money. All right, to make money from anywhere in the world. All right, people are happier if they're financially independent. So, all right, you just go through this. And you see that there are a lot of jobs here, and you can actually get paid $2.50 when you do a particular job. All right, you can actually get also paid as high as $5 when you do a particular job on this platform. But we are promising you that you earn $1 instantly when you get to offer services on this platform. So you become a part of the great community. You work with them, and yeah, they need you, right? So you work with them and they get to pay you. It's that simple. So you can also see that this website is actually rated 4.5 star rating on Trustpilot. It's a lot. All right, so you see people who are making money on this platform. Just like I told you earlier, you can actually make $5 when you do a particular service. Now it goes as high as £18.20 when you offer a particular service. Now, what are their payment methods? That's one thing you want to know, because you still want to withdraw your money. What are the payment methods? The first one is Payoneer. The first one is SIPA. This one is not really known in Nigeria. We have PayPal and have ACH payments. All right, these are the payment methods. So if any part of the world, this can actually work for you. So you can go through this. You can do this with your smartphone. Like I like to say that you can do this with your smartphone, and you can also do this with your laptop. All right. So the last one, which I'm going to mention right now, promises to pay you $1 instantly. Right. So I'm actually going to check it out. And yeah, you can also check that out. So the next one here is called Surveytime, and the URL is called surveytime.io. So he said, get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. This is no cap, right? you get instantly rewarded with $1. All right, so you have, see that it's recommended right here, and look at the payment method. You have PayPal, you have Coinbase, you have Amazon gift card, and basically they pay you using gift card, all right, and cryptocurrency, gift card and cryptocurrency. So how does it work? You should sign up for Surveytime for free. It's actually for free. Tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey. Start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get instant cash out for your $1 reward. All right, and this can instantly be cashed out. Like, you can actually withdraw it immediately. Remember I told you that the payment method is PayPal, cryptocurrency, and cards. These are the payment method. All right, so you see, okay, now this is the good thing about this one I just shared with you right now. It says no withdrawal threshold. I think I said that before. No withdrawal threshold. As long as you've made up to $1, you can actually withdraw instantly. And for each job you do, you earn $1. And this is no other platform than Surveytime.io. All right. So basically, these are the websites, and all you have to do is you must be sure to put in the work to answer the questions correctly to earn the money. All right. So that is it, guys, and this is the websites that can actually help you to earn your first dollar online as a total beginner. All right, so having showed you guys these platforms, it's very important that you get on and you start making money with these platforms immediately. And if you've watched this video so far and you've not subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon, and if you have any comments, questions, suggestions that you want to keep drop for us, be sure to do that in the comment section. All right, so right now it's going to be a peace out. I am your favorite guy, Ebenezer Link. See you guys in the next video. Peace.